This is how you establish the identity for problem number 15. First, I'm going to start by circling the right-hand side because it is more complicated. I look for any of my Pythagorean identity substitutions. All three of my Pythagorean identity substitutions have squared functions in them, and there are no squared functions in this, so those are out. I then notice that in my numerator, I have a cosecant of 90 minus theta. This means cosecant of the complement. This is substitutable for its cofunction. Cosecant's cofunction is secant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by replacing cosecant of the complement with secant of the angle. Now, just like problem number 14, I realize that this is a function divided by a function, both of which can be rewritten as fractions. So I'm going to write them side by side using the division symbol that we're used to from grade school. Now I'm going to replace secant with its reciprocal, which is 1 over cosine of theta, times, actually I shouldn't multiply yet, I'm getting ahead of myself here. I'll do divided by tangent substitution, which is sine of theta over cosine of theta. Now I can say I don't divide by fractions, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. So now I have 1 over cosine times cosine over sine. I can now simplify this because I see that I have a cosine of theta over cosine of theta, which simplifies to 1, and I'm left with 1 over sine of theta. My last substitution is I can simplify 1 over sine of theta to cosecant of theta. If you look at what you're trying to get on the left-hand side, you are trying to get cosecant of theta, so you have established your identity.